The Book of Proverbs, Chapter 1. These are the wise words of Solomon, son of David. Solomon was king of Israel. They teach wisdom and self-control. They give understanding. They will teach you how to be wise and self-controlled. They will teach you what is honest and fair and right. They give the ability to think to those with little knowledge. They give knowledge and good sense to the young. Wise people should also listen to them and learn even more. Even they can find good advice in these words. Then they will be able to understand wise words and stories. They will understand the words of wise men and their riddles. Knowledge begins with respect for the Lord, but foolish people hate wisdom and discipline. My child, listen to your father's teaching, and do not forget your mother's advice. Their teaching will beautify your life. It will be like flowers in your hair or a chain around your neck. My child, sinners will try to lead you into sin, but do not follow them. They might say, "Come with us, let's ambush and kill someone. Let's attack some harmless person just for fun. Let's swallow them alive as death does. Let's swallow them whole as the grave does. We will take all kinds of valuable things. We will fill our houses with what we steal. Come join us, and we will share with you what we steal." My child, do not go along with them. Do not do what they do. They run to do evil. They are quick to kill. It is useless to spread out a net right where the birds can see it. These men are setting their own trap. They will only catch themselves. All greedy people end up this way. Greed takes away the life of the greedy person. Wisdom is like a good woman who shouts in the street. She raises her voice in the city squares. She cries out in the noisy street. She makes her speech at city gates. You foolish people, how long do you want to stay foolish? How long will you make fun of wisdom? How long will you hate knowledge? Listen when I correct you. I will tell you what's in my heart. I will tell you what I am thinking. I called, but you refused to listen. I held out my hand, but you paid no attention. You did not follow my advice. You did not want me to correct you. So, I will laugh when you are in trouble. I will make fun when disaster happens to you. Disaster will come over you like a storm. Trouble will strike you like a whirlwind. Pain and trouble will overwhelm you. Then you will call out to me, but I will not answer. You will look for me, but you will not find me. You rejected knowledge. You did not choose to respect the Lord. You did not accept my advice. You rejected my correction. So, you will get what you deserve. You will get what you planned for others. Fools wander away and get killed. They are destroyed because they do not care. But those who listen to me will live in safety. They will be safe without fear of being hurt.